Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have earned money on G2G and now you want to withdraw it, here is how you can do it quickly and easily in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to search for g2g.com. Now, once you are at G2G, you just have to simply log in into your account first. So click on this login button and provide your email address, mobile number, and your password, and you need to just log in into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, on the home page, you will see your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. So you need to go to your profile section and then select the option of My Balance. You will be able to see all of your funds in your My Balance section. So underneath it, you will see the withdraw option. So you need to tap on the withdraw option and select your preferable payout method. If you don't know which payout method are available here, you can just scroll through this page and you can find different types of banks that are supported here. So you can get the information about that here. So you need to select the payment method, and you can even just choose cryptocurrencies, PayPal, and then enter the amount that you want to withdraw and confirm your details. Make sure that your payment method is verified to avoid any delays. So once you confirm, the money will be processed within a few business days. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.